Start. Hello viewers, today we have our project which is making an easy bike charger, that is an electric three-wheeler vehicle charger, more efficient. So we can see here that we have two chargers here. This one is the standard charger that you can find in the market, and this one is the test charger that we made ourselves to improve the efficiency. So what are the main differences between these two chargers? Actually, the main problem that is faced by electric three-wheeler chargers is that when they are charged, there is no control mechanism to control the overcharge protection, that is cutting off the voltage when it crosses the limit. Constant current. And there is no mechanism by which the batteries can be charged with constant current. So by removing all those problems and improvising a new circuit, we have built this project. Okay, what is it? How does it work? First of all, there is a circuit board that has 4 triacs, which changes the taps and fixes the output charging current. And here this board is the sensing board, which I will talk about it later. And here it is the transformer in which the input taps are changed, and from here the current is finally passed to the rectifier. Okay, first let me demonstrate the circuit. Here, if we turn on the circuit, then this control board is powered, and then we turn on the circuit breaker to the battery. Let me first give you an introduction of the battery. We have 5 batteries, each is 12 volt, and together we have total of 60 volt batteries. And now we are going to charge the batteries by our circuit. Let me first tell you that this circuit works in such a way that when the battery voltage is around 75 voltage, the circuit cuts off. Okay, as we can see here are 4 triacs corresponding to the 4 taps. And if we see here, okay, now these triacs are working, and if we see in this current meter here, we can see that it has a fixed constant current of almost 14.5 to 15 ampere that we are keeping it fixed for our project. And by changing the taps of the transformer, the AC current taps are changed to keep the current fixed actually, and this AC current is passed through a rectifier bank which has 4 rectifiers in parallel, and when this voltage is rectified, it finally passes on to the breaker and the battery is charged. Okay, now if I come on to the sensing mechanism, we are actually sensing 4 parameters: the input current, input voltage, the output current, and the output voltage. This current sensing, this whole sensing board is done by parameters are sensed by each of the sensing circuit. One is in our test charger, and the one is in our standard charger. After the 4 parameters are sensed, then this data is passed through the LAN cable to our motherboard here, which is the mother sensing board, the data logger we say it. After the data has been received by the data logger, it is passed on to the server by GSM mechanism. And as we can see, our server, this data logger, we can see for our test, suppose we are seeing for our test charger, we see the parameters that we are testing. I have already said that we are actually taking input the input voltage, input current, output voltage, output current. So we have already used the data logger from before, and as we can see, after every 1 minute the data is updated and we get the voltage at the input current, the output voltage, and the output current. And by using these 4 datas, we are calculating the input power, the output power, efficiency, and power factor. So by calculating the efficiency for each of the chargers, we are actually comparing which charger is better. Thank you. That is all our project is about.